Hi guys, so this is the part 3 of the video I made on how you can actually make money from Amazon by selling recipe journals. So if you have not watched the part 1 and the part 2, please go and watch the part 1 and the part 2 because you would not understand what I'm doing in this part 3 if you haven't watched the previous part. So let's head into the video.
To Pixabay and get an image that we're going to use here for our cover. So we are now at Pixabay. The next thing we want to do is that we want to come here and type, let's say, baking, and just, okay, as you can see, we have some good images here. So we'll just take our time to look for something that is really nice, and something that deals with the process of something. And these foods here are really eye-catching. Seems like I should just pick one and eat. Anyway, let's focus on what we are doing. There's one I saw up. It looks really nice. Okay. I'll just download this. Make sure you always check this free for commercial use, no attribution required before you download. Okay, I can pick this download too. Download this too. So the point is that you want to download as many as you can and get the best image you can get for your cover. Okay, so I'm just going to go back to Canva now and upload these images that I've downloaded. So now we're at Canva. It's just to upload the images back into Canva now. So just go click this, upload here, upload media, device, files. Then I just select, then allow some time to come. They are uploaded now. Next thing I want to do is I want to pick images, then just use. So I'm going to pick this one, my cover. Now always remember that this side that I'm on now is the front cover, and this side is the back cover. And Canva will give you a line. You can see there will be a line here helping you demarcate the middle, right? So just know that this side is the back cover and this side is the front cover. So I'm going to work on the front cover first. Then okay, I'm going to use this. I want to elongate it, just make it bigger. Okay. So I want to change this, add some little filters on it. So yes, this will do. Then make this a little bit longer here and here too. Good. So I want to remove this I love cooking that is here. So all I'll just do is just come here, element, pick a particular shape, change the color of the shape to white, then use it to just close it. Yeah. Then I'll duplicate this and close the cooking. Okay, so as you can see, can't find that cooking there again. So the next thing I want to do is I'll just write my secret holiday recipe journal. So I'll just come here to text. I'll pick this text and just write my right. So I'll change the font. Um, Let me see this. Yes, I'll use this one. Bold needs a little. Then I'll have it here. Then I'll have another text. Holiday recipe journal. Bring it down here. Reduce. Change the fonts. Use this. Okay. Then okay. So for the back cover, I will just pick um this shape here, close it, and look for just pick the shape that blends. So Canva will just give me examples here. So I'll pick this and I'll use that for my back cover. So this is how the cover would be like, right? So I made the cover in almost 4 or 5 minutes already. So all I have to do is just click here and come to downloads, then print PDF, then click download. Then our design is ready. So the next thing is for us to go to Amazon, our KDP, and upload. So when you come to your bookshelf here, you just click paperback here, and you fill out the details. First thing here is my secret holiday recipe journal. So after writing the title, my secret holiday recipe journal, then for the subtitle, you can just write a perfect place to keep your Christmas, Christmas, Thanksgiving, and you just keep listing different holidays that people celebrate. And all these are actually very powerful keywords that would help you. So please here. Now, I made a video about how to write your title and your subtitle such a way that people would want to buy. So I'll leave a link to it. You can just go and go through the video and you know what to write here. So we come to the next thing here, which is the author's name. You can fix your name here or whatever you want to use. This I'm going to use my name, Austin Sunday. So as you can see, Austin Sunday. Now the next thing is your description. So I've written a short description. As you can see, you don't have to go through the stress of overthinking recipes whenever the holidays are close. Your secret recipes for special holiday journal is the perfect place to document your recipes. No matter the holiday, this book contains enough space. So you can just write your own description. Click publishing right. I own my copyright. Then for the keywords, you can just go through my video on keywords and you know what to do here. Then for categories, we just come here and then come to cooking. and just click holidays here. Then I can just put seasonal too. Then I save, and that's it. Then the next thing is, does your book contain language, situations, or images inappropriate for children under 18? You click no. Then you save and continue. Next thing here, you click assign me a free KDP ISBN. Then you assign. As you can see, you have been given that already. Then for the publication date, just leave it. It automatically fix itself. And the next thing is print option. Then you just leave it black and white interior. Then for the trim size, you come here, pick a different trim size. Remember, we used 8.5 times 11, so we just click 8.5 times 11 here. Then bleed, no bleed, we'll just leave it that way. Then put it at glossy. Then upload manuscript here. So I'll just come here, file, and I come here and I'll just upload. Okay, so we have uploaded that. Next thing is to come here for the cover. You click upload the cover you already have. Then upload your cover file here. You come to files, then you just pick it here. Okay, so we have done that. The next thing is to just come to launch previewer here. So we come here, click continue. It's take a while. So all you have to now do is to just click approve here. Then after that, you just come here and click save and continue. Then you just come and place price here. So I'm going to put 9.99 here. And as I always say, for price, it's actually dependent on the niche that you are in. You just go to Amazon and look for that particular niche. Look at the books that are priced the highest in that niche, then pick an average of them and put. So after that, you come to this point, after you put your price and click publish. Now, I'm not going to publish this book because I'm using this for just a tutorial for you guys. So that's when you publish your book, then give it some time. It's going to be live on Amazon.
If you have any questions from this video, I want you to leave it in the comment section. If you want me to make other books like puzzle books, like cookbooks, like diaries, like planners, I've also made a video about coloring books just in case you want to know how to make coloring books. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. It's actually mean a lot to me when I see your comments and when I see you guys subscribing. Thank you so much for watching the video.